All right, top sound from Silo, St. Elizabeth. Just pure excitement. At the end of the day, anything and anything tonight. As much as we're a young sound, nobody can run up. We can defend ourselves.
Hey, Avatar, you know the pants, eh? Avatar? Yeah. Well, right now, I'm quiet, man. But right now, we are in St. Elizabeth, Santa Cruz. You know, Dunridge Festival of Sound. It's a yearly event, and you know, sounds from all over Jamaica come here to show their skill, sound quality. You know, and this platform, we use this platform for, you know, most of the sound them still been around for a while, but that platform, yeah, we use it and, you know, showcase the selectors them, use selectors them skill also. So as a man who in the business from a long time, we have to have somebody who's been there for there with all of the youths them and all of the upcoming sound them, because hear the thing go. And them are the future. So if we don't endorse them, we don't know what go on. So, but that sound festival set we are set up. You know, everybody make sure everything all right, because look more, the ground is gonna be cloudy, and if it's gonna rain when we're done, all rain and sap are gonna dry up, cause don't play it and spit and talk and niceness. Things for the ladies too, cause we don't keep bull dance. Praise the Lord, church, we are here, but it's soon start.
Nothing short from what Trooper say, you know. Extreme Sound Station straight out of Daniel Town, Chilani. So I say, yeah, so just watch out for it.
Troubling idea, trouble. I just troubling idea. Anyway, you see so much sound string up, a troubling idea. When I say we represent for Extreme Sound, Chilani, Daniel Town, Falmouth, the whole other side they were represent for. So we not say too much. When the sound start playing, then they will hear what go on.
Yeah, Young Gun Sound represent for man, but you know we not really make no trouble still, but anything if you go on still, over there still.
People, big up yourself, Hype Zone here with David Hype, Maestro, Extra, or the Shooter. You see, tonight, this dance for Dunridge, something different. Any sound ready, God forget kill. You already know what happened the year before last. Red Heater dead, Dunridge dead. Any sound wanted, get it, boom.
Yeah, you know, a JR Flex, you know. One JR Flex represent for Mighty King Force out. You know, we're not getting in trouble tonight, you know. Where you know where you go already? Big trouble? You know where you go? All right.
Yeah, man, you don't know, I represent for King Force Sound, you know, one King Force, the bulldozer, you don't know. You know, a Gunface I represent, you don't know. Yeah. We come forward and play a whole heap of good music and a whole heap of dub plates, you see me? But any boy sparks tonight, you don't know a murder. Anything or anything, me I'm out.